Hello guys and welcome again. In this video I'll show you the best Kodi add-ons right now. It's called Judgments. Judgments media for movies and TV shows, and in Judgments IPTV there are more than 1000 live TV. So let's go to check it before show you how to install it on your Kodi. Okay, now I'll show you how to install Judgment add-ons on your Kodi. Just follow my steps. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. Give me a thumbs up if you liked my video and share it with your friends. Write your opinion and comments, and thank you for watching my video. Okay, now we should going to settings and system settings. Go to add-ons and enable unknown sources. Click yes and go back. Go to file manager, add source, click here and copy this link. Click OK. Write any name or leave its default name. Click OK and go back. Go back again and go to add-ons. From add-ons, go to this box and install from zip file. Okay, and go to the name which we write and select this file, and waiting some seconds to install this add-on. Okay, this repository is installed now. We should going to install from repository and go to Judgment repo and video add-ons and install this one first. Install it from here, waiting some seconds. Okay, it's installed now. I'll install this add-on to install it. Okay, it's installed too, and if you don't have this add-ons, I prefer to install it now. Okay, good, it's installed. I will install this add-ons too. Good, it's installed. I will install this add-on too. Install. Okay, everything it's installed now and everything is okay. Go back. Okay, it's there now. Okay, this and this, and thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.